Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel named as CAT2IIM by Manoj Mahajan. We'll continue with 200 plus QA Mind Boggling Concept Series. So today we are going to look at a superb trick in one of the time and work problem which appeared in CAT. So do check out the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do subscribe so that you don't miss out the important videos relevant for CAT and OMETs. So let's read the question first. A tank is emptied every day at a fixed point. That time is not known to us in the problem. And there are pump A or pump B, they're saying, or they both start working until the tank is full. So what is the data given to us is one of the day, if A alone fills the tank, the time at which the tank is filled is given to us, that is 8 p.m. If B alone does the same work, they are saying that the tank is filled at 6 p.m. So we don't know the time at which they have started doing the work. So we can look forward to calculate in the problem. Now, one more data is given to us. If you look over here, they're saying that A alone works till 5 p.m. And after that, B alone works and the work gets over by 7 p.m. So let's see, they're asking you at what time was the tank filled on Thursday if both pumps were used simultaneously. So we can look forward to understand one thing, that when A alone is working, the time at which it is being filled is 8 p.m. and when B alone is working, the time at which the tank is filled is 6 p.m. So the difference in the duration, if I look over here, is of 2 hours. That is one thing we can infer. Now, let's understand one thing. If I compare the scenario with A alone over here and this A alone and then B alone. See, in the first scenario, A has worked alone throughout till 8 p.m. So we can understand that till 5 p.m., A has worked alone, and here also A has worked alone till 5 p.m. So if you look the remaining work, A alone is doing in 3 hours, and the same work B alone does in 2 hours. From 5 to 7, we have a difference of 2. So we can look forward that the time ratio, if I look over here, to do the same work is nothing but 3:2. And you can actually look forward to calculate the value of the individual time taken by A alone and B alone. Let's see how. See, the difference between them is of 2 hours. So if the time ratio is 3:2 for doing the same work, we can say for the complete work, the difference between them is 1 unit, which is 2 hours over here, which means A alone takes 6 hours to fill the tank and B alone takes 4 hours to fill the tank. Now we can look forward to find out that together if they work and how many hours they can look forward to finish off the work. So let's look at the LCM concept as I keep teaching in my CAT2IIM classes also. Rather than going for fraction, LCM would be a little easier approach. So let's say the amount of work we have is of 12 units, the LCM of 6 and 4. So you can understand that A fills the tank in 6 hours. So doing what? 2 every hour. And B is doing what? 12 divided by 4, that is 3. So together, if I look over here, A and B, they are filling 5 units per hour. So 12 is the total work to be done. So together, if they look forward to do so, that would be 12 by 5. That is equivalent to 2 hours, 2 by 5 in total, the hours. So 2 by 5, if I look over here, so I can look forward to convert this into minutes also, 2 hours. And 2 by 5, if I multiply with 60, I'll get 24 minutes. So the total time taken together is 2 hours, 24 minutes. Now we can also look forward to find out the time at which they are starting the work. So you know that A alone takes 6 hours. So from 8 p.m., if you subtract 6, you'll get 2 p.m. A starts the work, or you can also calculate from B alone data. B takes 4 hours, so the work is done till 6 p.m. So minus 4 if I do, that will also give you 2 p.m., right? So the tank is emptied every day at 2 p.m. and from that point the work is done. So in 2 p.m. if I add 2 hours 24 minutes, I would actually get 4:24 p.m. over here. So definitely this was a superb trick which I have applied in one of the CAT questions. Keep following us, and if you want to prepare live with us for CAT 25 and OMETs, you can look forward to join our Super 60 batch starting from 14th of September. So you can look forward to call me at 9891565351 for more details. If you want to understand the concepts in detail, if you are not able to figure out the tricks and shortcuts, what I'm doing over here, and you want a thorough understanding of the concept before, then you can look forward to join our self-paced course for CAT 24 and OMETs, which is priced very reasonable. And you can also look forward to join a booster course, which is starting from 20th of September for CAT 24 and OMETs. And remember, last year from the booster course, there were two direct questions from algebra, which appeared in CAT 2003 slot 1. So definitely will help you prepare well for the CAT 24 and OMETs. And if you're targeting CAT 25 and OMETs, yes, we're going to look forward for that also. We are actually giving one-on-one mentoring sessions, which are the USP of the program. And remember one thing, that one out of every two CAT2IIM student get top B school call. What else do you want? Join CAT2IIM and be the next achiever. Thank you so much.